这天着吗 ？Okay, guys, I have arrived at the starting place for my hiking today. You can see the mountain, snow-capped mountain in front. It's very high and very beautiful. What a spectacular view. This is a valley. Today I will hiking from the valley and directly deep into the mountain foot. The first step is buying ticket. 是交费哈？
少嘛？
好钱呢
18。
是吧？
一个人？
我一个人。
他一起一个就跑进去，我都不想上去了，只有半山都下来了。
哦，你是过来耍的吗？
我们几个人，他们上去了。
我看这儿有车子，这是你们车子哈？我去，对了哈。哦 ，it's so cold. Oh, I can see I'm shaking. It's very, very cold. There is no sunshine. The temperature, I guess the temperature is at least minus 5 degrees. So cold. And you can see there are 3 cows. The cows are very clever. They are enjoying the warm sunshine. Oh, let's go. Let's go to the mountain foot and maybe we can find our way to the mountain top. I guess the height is about 1500 from this place to the mountain top. Oh, maybe 2000 meters high. Oh, it's crazy. It's super cold. As you can see, I just met with 2 guys in that structure. They told me there are several tourists in front. One of them came back because he felt here is so cold. On the mountain top there is a signal tower. So my cell phone still has a signal here. As the information online, this side there is no signal in the deep area of this valley. I prepared a box of cookie and some hot water. You can see. There are many cows' poops on the road. It's super cold. This is my first destination. I found out there are some dry grasses. The dry grass is used to feed the cows. You can see this is a pen. Oh, so cold. In this section, the valley turns narrow. You can see the water is very, very clean. The water is melted snow. There are many signs along the path. 各位访客朋友，为了保证你的人身与财产安全，进沟途中请勿搭乘任何三轮车及无牌无证机动车。对于因乘坐三轮车及其他无牌无证车辆所引发的一切事故及纠纷，由乘车人承担。Okay, that is an important notice. No fishing. Look, the trees are so huge. There are many landslides. You can see the river bed is extremely chaotic. There are many dry trees and trees roots, and the rocks are everywhere. This path is relatively flat. It's easy to hike on the path. Look at the snow-capped mountains. Woohoo! The Asian black bear are always found in this region.警惕猛兽出没，黑熊。I found there are some ice and rock. Look. Oh. Oh. Maybe it's edible. No, I can't eat it. This is my weapon. This is my knife. I can fight with bear. Okay guys, the sunshine is coming out. everything is illuminated by the bright sunshine, so we can see the view clearly now. I will take you to check out in this section. I found that there are many wild fruits. And look, this wild fruit is saji, is a kind of ingredient of beverage. Although it is small, but it's very juicy and very sour. It's very fresh. This is a kind of bush. You can see it has many thorns. Look at the stream. It flows very swiftly. And there is a wooden bridge. Let's check out in front. The moss covers the tree's trunks and the branches. There are many dry wooden sticks, dry trees. So the litter is forbidden in this region. Of course, we can't smoke in this area. Oh, you can see there are so many circle lines. One line is 1 year old. So from the center to the edge, there are at least hundreds of circular lines. This tree is at least hundreds years old. Here is the river bed. Oh, I guess few people come here because in front there is an iron net. The iron net is used as a fence. So that is a measure to prevent tourists across this region. Let's check out. Look, there are some wooden fence. Okay, my road is blocked. Oh, I found there are stacks of dry grass. We can get through the fence. Let's go. I made it. Okay guys, I successfully get through the fence from the gap. You can see. Let's check out the view. It's extremely beautiful. As you can see, there is a layer of ice on the simple bridge. So it's very slippery. Oh, look at the mountains. Wow. It's extremely stunning. I never see this view.